Alright. Guys, everyone, today we're going to talk about lighting. Lighting is important. Lighting is very important. Actually, it shapes the way we see things. It shapes the mood of your content, any visual content that you're trying to create, video content, picture, whatever it is. Lighting is very, very important. But before we start today, let me know in the comment section, how many lights do you use for your setup, for your YouTube setup? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Yeah. So I stumbled on this website while preparing for a couple of videos that I did here on this channel. And this website is amazing just to explain how lighting works, but also just for you to learn how to shape light to create a mood in your content, in your video, in your footage, in your picture. So what's the website? The website is Virtual Lighting Studio. Now the website is a little bit weird. The name is a little bit weird, but I promise it's really good. Zvork. Maybe I can just add a pop-up text right here to show you the link, but go to the description. You can just click on that and you'll get there. So here is how it works. You just have to press to start. That's pretty straightforward. You're gonna be brought to this page. There's different kinds of model here. There's a bald white dude. Can I say that on YouTube? I don't know. And there, of course, there is someone that has hair, and then there's a woman here. To be honest with you guys, these models are a little bit creepy, and then we have here someone of a darker shade. I wish they would have added someone of an even darker shade, or someone with glasses, someone with hats, you know, all these options, but it's free, so we can't really complain about all these things. So let's give it a try. So how do you use this? So the first square right here, if you click on that, you can see where the light is at right now. So the light is right now is straightforward, right in front of the subject. We are going to try to move this around. We just with one light, because if you look down here, there is actually a way for you to add more lights, up to 6 lights. So you can look at where the light is at right now, and then you can move the light around. How do you move the light around? It's just down here. This is to move right, move left. You can move it around. You can move it down. You can move it up to see the difference, and you can move it further away, or you can move it even closer. Now the plus and minus, you can even add the exposure or the strength of the light. So you can have +1, you can go all the way to +4, you can go all the way down to -8. You can also change the position of the light live by just staying on your model. Doesn't matter which model you use, and then move the light around. Let's put the light a little bit down. Now you can add lights. You can add now automatically your light will be right in front of your subject again, but you can move it around just to see how things will look like. I know most of us probably don't have 6 lights available at home to create a video, a YouTube video, simple video, but I'm sure you have one light. So try to master how to use one light. Actually, in this website, you can also add gel. Click on gel and you can literally just add any color you want, and you can definitely play around with this just to add that mood. Look at that, look at that, look at that. All right, guys, go ahead and play around with it, have fun with it, learn how to shape light, create moods, different moods. And I promise you, you will develop this very, very important skill. You will use this, not just for YouTube, but for any visual content that you want to create. If you guys got some value from this video, do me a favor, like it. Why not go crazy today? Share it and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.